Hi there, welcome back. So in this lecture we're gonna learn to use break statement with for loop. So I'm gonna jump into my IDE and I'm gonna keep all the codes that you see on your screen that we have written on my earlier lectures. We're gonna keep it intact and we're just gonna refactor this code here and there and we should be good to go. So I'm gonna hit enter and I'm gonna call my if statement and elements equals single quote, and I'm gonna type lemon. Then I'm gonna end my statement with a colon. Now I'm gonna hit enter and I'm gonna type break, and that's it. Now if I right click and run it, then you'll see that we've got apple, lime and lemon, and we don't have cherry printed out. So the way break statement works is that, as you can see, that we have set a condition that if elements equal lemon, so we're gonna print our list up to lemon. So we're gonna print lemon and everything else that we have before this element, we're gonna print them all, and we're gonna stop at lemon. And that is the reason why we've got apple, lime and lemon printed out on our code runner, and it stopped and it did not print cherry. Why? Because we have implemented a break statement, and that is why we don't have cherry. So that's how you would want to use break statement with for loop. So that's pretty much it. I hope this has been informative and you have learned some valuable lesson. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thanks. Bye.